Listen, the title and the thumbnail says it all. We doing smashed chicken burgers today. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen. Let's go. All right, let's do a quick roll call. We have our ground chicken back here, some chopped green onions, minced garlic, Cajun seasoning, red bell pepper, olive oil, smoked paprika, black pepper, 1 egg, salt. We have some breadcrumbs right here. So these are the ingredients. Let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're gonna season our ground chicken. We're gonna add our minced garlic, Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika, our breadcrumbs, salt, black pepper, our egg, green onions, and our red peppers. You can go in with your hand or a spoon to get this mixed up. I'm gonna go in with this spoon, get it all mixed up. All right, so it looks like we're good. Let's continue. So next thing we're gonna start forming our patties. So we're gonna take about, probably get 1/4 of a cup. I'm gonna make mine probably around this size. Sit that right there. Make me another one. And guys, this is what we have. We're gonna be able to get about 6 patties out of this. So now we're gonna head over to our stove so we can get to frying. All right, guys, we're gonna heat up our griddle with a little olive oil. Gonna get that brushed around here. And once that oil starts to shimmer, we're gonna take our chicken patty. We'll add it here. We'll take a presser, press down on it, hold it for about 10 seconds. Just like that. We'll take our other patty. Same thing here, press down on it, let that hold for 10 seconds. And we're gonna cook these babies for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. All right, so now we're gonna start adding our cheese. We're gonna let that start to melt just a little bit. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and remove it. We're gonna sit these here in our warming rack while we finish the rest of them. Guys, take a look at that right there. All right, let's go ahead and continue with the rest of them. All right, guys, this is our last 2 patties, so we're gonna go ahead and remove those, add them also to a heating rack. Now we're gonna go over here, move over to our cutting board to start building out our burgers. And guys, there you have it. Smashed chicken burger with cheese and bacon. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control because this baby looking good. Let's go. Yep, we're back in here, quality control. We're gonna bring this smashed chicken sandwich burger to the front of the congregation. Guys, look at that. Oh man. Let me step back. Go ahead and get this baby a try. Oh man. This is it right here. This is it. Some people don't eat red meat, but they eat that chicken. This is one for you. You still enjoy a smash burger with some ground chicken. So I'm about to get back to this, no more talk. So until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli, all wings, everything. And remember, him not a chef, he just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.